ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 83, ஸ்லோகா 10. சாம்பம் கௌரவ்யபுத்ரீஹரண நியமிதம் சாந்த்வனார்த்தி குருணாம் யாத்தः தத்வாக்யரோஷோத்ருத கரிநகரோ मोचयामास रामः ते घात्याः पाण्डवेयैः इति यदु पृतनां नामुचः त्वं तदानीं तं त्वां दुर्बोधलीलं पवनपुरपते तापशान्त्यै निषेवे. Word by word meaning. Kauravya Putri Harana Niyamitam, who was kept in captivity by the Kauravas for abducting Lakshana, the daughter of Duryodhana. Sambam, Samba, the son of Jambavati. Kurunam Santvanarthi Yataha Ramaha, Balarama, who went to Hastinapura to conciliate the Kurus. Tadvakya Roshodhrita Karinagaraha. Tadvakya, at the words of the Kauravas, Rosha, in anger, Udhrita, lifted up, Karinagaraha, Astinapura, Mochayamasa, released, Te, they, Kauravas, Pandaveyaihi, by the Pandavas, Ghatyaha, are to be killed, Iti, thus deciding, Tam, thou, Tadanim, then, Yadu Prutanam, the Yadava army, Na Amuchaha, didst not send, He Pavanapurapate, O Lord of Guruvayur, Durbodhalilam, whose Leela, sportive activities, cannot be understood. Tam Tvam, that thee, Tapashantyai, for the removal of sufferings, Nisheve, I worship. Full meaning. Balarama went to Hastinapura to conciliate the Kauravas who held in captivity Samba, who had abducted Duryodhana's daughter Lakshana. But infuriated by their talk, he lifted up Hastinapura and released Samba, deciding that the Kauravas should be killed by the Pandavas. Thou didst not then send the Yadava army there, O Lord of Guruvayur, whose divine sports cannot be understood. I pray to thee for the eradication of my sufferings. Om Tat Sat.